Hello friend, I welcome you into this tutorial where I'll be showing you how to convert a Facebook profile or account into a Facebook page. So this video is going to cover everything to do with the Facebook profile being turned into a Facebook page. So make sure to follow the whole video without skipping, and let's begin. So now on your home tab, on your Facebook home tab, you're going to go to the top right where there is that inverted arrow icon on the top right. So you're going to click there and then you go to settings and privacy, so which is the first option in the drop down list, settings and privacy. And then still you go to settings, so from here there is name. You're going to edit name, but as for me, I'm not going to edit my name, because when you edit, of course you will have to change it again after some days. For instance, if I click edit, when you click edit, they are saying that please note, if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. So you are going to leave that part and you come to learn more. You're not going to change your name unless that's what you want your Facebook page to bear. But in case you want your Facebook page to bear the same name, you leave it. You come to learn more. Still from here, that part isn't that much needed. Okay, it's necessary, but you can read through and you just come to find out why. Find out why. Still from there, now you're going to scroll down and you choose the option of fill out this form to request a name change and confirm your name. So that's what you're going to click. Then here it will give you a preview of what's expected when you want to change your name. So you make sure that you enter the first name, the last name, but that is just a preview. The option that will allow you to do that is in the very last page, last section of this very page. So here it's what you're going to click: create a page or convert this account to a page. So you're going to come to convert this account to a page. So you'll be brought to this section where you'll have your name and you click on get started. So, and then from here you choose the category. You choose what you want your account to represent and what you want it to be for. So you can put public figure as for now, and then you click next. So of course all your friends, they will be imported to this account, to this page, and then click next. So then you'll have to review what you've submitted so far, and if you're satisfied, you're going to click next. And just right about the lower section, you'll see the option of create page, and that's how you'll be able to convert your profile to a page. So I hope this video has helped you, and in case the new update is made, I will still come back and make a new video and put the link in the description of this very video. So just in case it's your first time, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be updated each time I make a new video. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.